What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy ChefNdaLAB back with another banger. You already know, man. I'm going crazy. I got the loyal group up in this joint. You know what I'm saying? Got the Golden State Warriors up in here. You already know. It's the chef, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been locked in. Got Draymond Green, Klay Thompson. You know what I'm saying? Somebody asked for Klay. I got you. Sit back and enjoy. You know what I'm saying? We out here, bro. It's your boy shit, bro. You know further ado, but let's get it in. You know what it is, bro. Dang. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Below this dude right here, one of my favorite faces. My favorite. This is my favorite face to make. Alright, below this row right here, the same face. Let's get it. Let's turn it on one more time, one more time. Alright, man, let me slow up. Ah. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Alright, so for here, you know I go with the afro. Come on now. Klay got that little afro with the nice little sides right there. You see the little fade right there on the sides? Perfect. So I know how to go with those. But you know, you can go to the old school, scuffy. Let's get the scuffy look for Klay. You know what I'm saying? So we can take it back. We can take it back to the scuffy look for Klay. You know what I'm saying? Bam. My bad. Bam. There it goes. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Cause let me see. You got that. Bam. That's the view right there I'm looking for. Bam. Yes, sir. That's the other Klay. If you want the other Klay, but yeah, I got this Klay right here. Let's get it in with the fro. Let me see. My bad. I ain't even show you the color. My bad. Afro, brown, 3 for the length. That's what I did right there. Skull 5. I did 3, 18, 20 for the skull. That's what I got right there. You know what I'm saying? Brow, did brow 4, 20, 0 all the way down. You know what I'm saying? Eyebrow 6, I did eyebrow 6, brown, none, no cuts, we straight. Ears, I did ears 4, kept that simple, 12, 9, 8, nothing special. Eyes, kept that default. I did 006, none, and 16, 6. That's what I got right there, my bad. Yeah, for the nose, I did nose 6 this time. I did nose 6, 12, 13, 0, 20, 20, 10. Gotta look like that. Bam! From the side view. Yes! Let's get it. Dang, where's that? Yeah. Cheeks. I did a default for the cheeks. 2010, none, and none. You know what I'm saying? That's what I got right there for the cheeks. Mouth, I did mouth 1, 14, 15, 4, 8, 20, and 7. That's what I got right there for the mouth for Klay. Skip the teeth, facial hair. I used my favorite facial hair. Facial hair 3. Kept that brown stubble 7. You know what I'm saying? Not much, you know what I'm saying? Chin, got the beard. So what I did the chin just for the beard. 0, 20, 16, 13, 19. See from the view, chin, bam, look at the beard. Bam, for the chin, beard. You know what I'm saying? You see the chin, think about the beard. You know what I'm saying? We out here. That's what I got right there. Yeah, skin, I use skin 9 for the skin for Klay. You go lighter or whatever you want. Mommy poo. Hold on. Girl, mommy. Hey, come back here, girl. I know. Hold on. I'm recording. Mommy poo. All right. I did skin 9. I'm about to you gotta continue to my bad. Dang. Yep, that's your boy Klay Thompson. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Klay. Hey, girl, mommy poo. Alright. Yeah, this is boy Klay. My bad, y'all. My daughter all over the place. Got the nose right here. This is boy Klay. Klay Thompson. Yeah. So just continue to like, subscribe, and comment, bro. You already know what it is, bro. It's your boy Shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all y'all, man. Y'all be easy though. Alright, I holla at y'all.